Driving Ivan here, checking out a Toyota Landcruiser. But this one was imported from Portugal. What is that? 1905. They're asking for this thing. And they're just getting all the money these days. The SUVs. Well, Toyota Landcruisers have always been pretty popular. Down here near, pretty near Pensacola. There's this cool little surf shop here. But, man, this thing is just cool looking. It's got the top, and it's got a lot of cool features that I don't think you can see on Landcruisers sold here in the United States. Very, very cool. And, well, why do people want them? They're rugged. They will go anywhere and do anything. The desert, water, you name it, they'll do it. That's why people like them. So there you go. The Landcruiser. Check out my review of the newer Landcruiser. And full road test of that one. Just Google Drivin Ivan and any car you want to see. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other car reviews, truck reviews, SUV reviews, sports car, exotic car, classic car, you name it. Disc golf videos. You should try the sport. It's fun. And documentaries and music videos as well. Literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. I'm Drivin Ivan.